The era of do not reply marketing is over. Customers expect experiences to feel connected, relevant, and conversational. But mobile is often still fragmented. Data is disconnected, and messages are one way. The moments that matter are the hardest to deliver. So let's change that with Agentforce Marketing. Meet David, who has an upcoming stay at Polonia Hotels and Resorts. On the day of arrival, severe weather impacts his destination. Polonia needs to reach guests immediately. With flash sending, they can deliver time-sensitive alerts at scale in just seconds. So David gets the right update right away, along with a direct line for questions. No lag, no batch delay. Just the right message, the right moment. Later on, David receives an interactive RCS message. This unlocks a branded, immersive experience built right into his native messaging app. A rich card presents an upgraded room option personalized to his loyalty status and past stay preferences. It's real-time availability, clear actions, and one tap to confirm. After David arrives, Polonia wants to make sure he feels taken care of throughout the stay. He receives an MMS message and saves Polonia as a contact, complete with his hotel's name, logo, and direct line to staff. Now he can text like he's talking to a friend. Empowering each conversation is an AI agent responding with context from a unified guest history and real-time property data in Data 360. This is not a generic chatbot. This is Agentforce grounded in context, so it knows David's room preference, loyalty tier, and that he just had a disruption. And these conversations can be tailored for the right mobile experience for each moment and each customer. The marketer never built this moment by moment. They described their goal in natural language, and Agentforce generated the brief, identified the impacted guest, and drafted the content. Salesforce Flow orchestrated each interaction in real time, triggered by the weather, not a batch send. And this is fully customizable. You define the guardrails. You ground it in your own property catalog, policies, and guest data. You shape how the agent responds. With Agentforce, marketing is more than just sending messages. AI agents suggest personalized recommendations, resolve issues in the moment, and offer assistance. Every interaction becomes part of a continuous conversation. This is how marketers move from campaigns to conversations, from scheduled sends to real-time signals, from do not reply to always-on engagement.